Hello, welcome to the English class. Today, we'll learn all about preposition. If you are wondering what a preposition is, let me explain. A preposition is a word that shows where something is, when something happens, or how things are related to each other in a sentence. Prepositions help us understand the position, direction, or timing of things in relation to other things. They often describe the location of objects, the time of an action, or the way things are connected. Let's learn by some simple examples and how can we use the preposition in sentences. In. The hen is in the coop. In front, the hen is in front of the coop. Beside, the sheep is beside the straw bales. Behind, the dog is behind the kennel. Between, the hen is between the coop and the tree. On, the hen is on the coop. Under, the cow is under the tree. Above, the sun is shining above the horse. Below, the worms are hiding below the soil. Near, the farmer's house is near the hen coop. Through, the horse walked through the open gate. Across, the ducklings followed their mother across the yard. For, the farmer feeds the hen for breakfast. To, the hen is going to the garden. By, the eggs are collected by the farmer. With, the duck is walking with her ducklings. About, the storybook is about a clever hen. Without, the pig can't live without mud puddles in summer. Along, the chicks follow the mother hen along the path. I hope you have understood with the help of these examples now. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next time. Goodbye.